I'm Catherine Konz. I'm the Artistic Director of the Rainy Days Festival of the Philharmonie Luxembourg. So for this second edition, I have chosen the theme of extremes. I am very aware that for the general public, contemporary music is extreme in any case, but in this case, I have chosen the sort of extremes that are quite playful, and so I think it's a nice way into new music. We will hear things that are extremely long, extremely short, extremely many of something, and I think it's a nice way to introduce an audience who are not necessarily specialists, but it's also fun for the specialists. There are many Luxembourgers involved. We have quite a few ensembles. Lucilin, for example, who do many concerts this year. They do one big concert of Wandelweiser music and New Complexity, two very extreme things. They do some musique d'ameublement and some graphic scores of Johnny Fritz. Really, they intervene in many different ways. We have the Noise Watchers with a whole program by Claude Lenners. We have the Camerata Luxembourg, who are in it for the first time, and they play a premiere of a composer who would have been 100 years this year, Victor Pfenigstein, with dancers even. It's a ballet. They also perform a film, a Dziga Vertov film, The Man with the Movie Camera, very famous, but this time with the original score, which has been unearthed, and it will now be played for the second time ever, the same as almost 100 years ago. We have the OCL, the Orchestre de Chambre de Luxembourg, are participating with Cathy Krier, pianist, a very exciting program of Ligeti concerto, and some bookends of mine as well. I'm also a composer, so I had this idea that the concert would be a whole without applause in between pieces. Then we have 12 Luxembourg pianists, because we have a whole day of piano, and with 6 pianos on stage and many concerts with 6 pianos, one of which has 12 pianists, and a new piece by Albena Petrovic, also a Luxembourg composer. We have composer Johnny Fritz, who celebrates his 80th birthday this year with a portrait concert of his life work. So it's really quite a selection of the Luxembourg music scene. It's wonderful to have the festival as a forum for meeting new people, and this is very valuable for the Luxembourg artists who get to meet foreign artistic directors, ensembles, musicians, and vice versa. It is also a chance for the foreigners to come and see who is in Luxembourg, and to have these focus groups where Luxembourg artists present their projects. I hope some collaborations can come out of that.